Ever wondered what impact the food you eat has on your kidneys? These hard-working organs are responsible for crucial tasks like filtering waste products from your body, maintaining the delicate balance of fluids, and regulating your blood pressure. They're like your body's personal sanitation department, working around the clock to keep you healthy. But they can be greatly affected by what you eat, hence the importance of a renal diet. So, what exactly is a renal diet and why is it so important? Stay tuned to find out. A renal diet is specifically designed to reduce the amount of waste in your blood. It's a unique nutritional plan that emphasizes low sodium, low potassium, and low protein intake. Why? These elements, in excess, can put a strain on kidneys that are already under duress. Sodium can cause fluid retention, potassium can interfere with heart function, and too much protein can build up waste in your blood. It's a careful balance to protect your kidneys. But what does this mean in terms of actual food choices? Let's delve into that next. Navigating a renal diet may seem difficult, but it doesn't have to be. Let's break it down. The key points of a renal diet revolve around specific food choices. You'll want to prioritize low-sodium foods like fresh fruits and vegetables and whole grains. Also, lean proteins such as chicken or fish are excellent choices. However, it's crucial to limit high-potassium foods like bananas or potatoes. A dietitian or healthcare provider can provide a personalized plan based on your specific needs. And hey, if you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and diet tips. Transitioning to a renal diet isn't just about the foods you eat, but also about the lifestyle choices you make. Regular exercise, adequate hydration, and limited alcohol intake further support kidney health. Remember, the right diet can make a significant difference in your kidney health. Consult your healthcare provider and make the choice for a healthier you today.